One of the most famous political ads ever comes from Lyndon B. Johnson's campaign ad in his 1964 run for re-election. The ad features a little girl around 4 or 5 years old plucking away at a flower and counting. The counting is taken over by Mission Control counting down to a launch of some kind. Then an explosion with a plea from the president to vote for him in the upcoming elections. There had never been an ad like this before. It was immediately jarring and put fear into the hearts of its viewer. The campaign had sparked fear for safety of American children and the safety of their future.
These are the stakes to make a world in which all of God's children can live.
What's interesting about this ad is that it was only run once during the campaign, but made such an impact. Another interesting point is though it is credited for pushing President Johnson into the winner's spot, he was already in the lead to win.
Or to go into the dark. We must either love each other or we must die.
It was the ad's creativity that left a lasting impression on its viewers. While most political ads were just about speeches on policy viewpoints, this ad was more visual. There was little dialogue in this ad. The imagery was impactful. Zooming into the eye of the little girl followed by the explosion caught the viewer off guard and immediately warranted their concern.
Vote for President Johnson on November 3rd. The stakes are too high for you to stay home.
The short quote from President Johnson in the end, giving the viewer the ultimatum of "we must love each other or we must die," set the tone for future political ads, which can be fear-based. The ad never mentions President Johnson's opponent, but uses subtle hints to let the viewer draw their own conclusion. It paints a picture of what might happen should the American people choose to vote against President Johnson.